In Avantika University School of Law, we offer two programs, BA NLB Honors and BB NLB Honors. In Honors, we are having four categories. The first one is Constitutional Law, Criminal Law, Corporate Law, and International Law. In Avantika University, we believe in holistic approach. We try to give our student an overall development, which includes not only the conventional method of teaching, that is a classroom teaching with books, but also a practical exposure. For that, our teaching pedagogy includes not only classroom teaching, but a blend of co-curricular activity, extracurricular activity, and cultural activity. We also propose professional skill development activity so that we can make industry-friendly lawyers. In this, we used to give them exposure to industry, legal aid camps, moot court, and many more. We also include a research-based activities, which is an essential and inevitable part of any lawyer, so that we can make not only a good and analytical lawyer, but also ethically, critically, and morally good person to the society.